Lesson number 1, water. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the importance of a reliable, pure water supply in everyday life, and describe how water is used in everyday life and explain why it is important not to waste it, and why substances needed to be identified and their purity determined, and explain the difference between qualitative and quantitative analysis. We all need a safe supply of water to survive. Over 70% of the human body is made up of water, and health experts recommend that we drink at least 2 liters of water a day. Although water seems to be everywhere, in our oceans, seas, lakes and rivers, most of it is unfit for drinking. Each year, millions of people die because they don't have a safe supply of drinking water. It is therefore very important that we look after our sources of water and that we don't waste water, as the consequences can be severe. We need water for cooking, cleaning, washing, sanitation, farms and industries, and of course for drinking. We are fortunate in this country that clean, safe water is provided to almost every home. Water is treated by screening and filtering to remove solid particles, chemical treatments to eliminate impurities, and chlorination to kill bacteria. Analytical chemists check the purity of the water throughout its treatment. There are 2 main types of analysis: qualitative analysis, which investigates the kind of chemicals present in a sample, and quantitative analysis, which measures the amount of each chemical present. The purity of water is checked against government standards, which set maximum limits for chemicals and microorganisms. Our standards are high and ensure that water is not only safe to drink, but looks and tastes good as well. Water comes from natural sources, so water pollution is a major concern. Pollution can come from a number of sources. Industry, which uses large amounts of water, can discharge dangerous chemicals in its waste. Fertilizers used by farms can seep into rivers and lakes. Indeed, we can all be responsible at times, using detergents and other household chemicals, which are then washed down the drains. Many countries have now passed laws to control the discharge of industrial and domestic waste. In the UK, water sources are treated for pollution by analytical chemists. The careful monitoring of our environment has greatly improved the cleanliness of our water.